This is an inaho tierkey, rank brown. I'm trying to get it on camera. As long as the nail person is not coming here. Okay. So there's just a bunch of pins in here. Just counting them all out is not really gonna be. Oh, it's only 13. There's 7 on top and 6 on the bottom. Did I mess something up already? Nope, okay. It has spools, so I'm just trying to find, there we go, pins that are binding, and then get it open. Well, less than 2 minutes actually isn't pretty bad on that thing. But that's the, uh-oh, did I just mess something up? Oh no, I did. I think I just messed something up. But that's the inaho tierkey.